Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I really believe that you guys might have already seen my last video, which was day 1 of Aircard trip, and we stayed in Brooks Resort for 1 day and 1 night, and this is next day morning at Brooks Resort. Just a wonderful view, isn't it? Good morning. We then got ready and headed to the restaurant for breakfast. Usually they serve buffet breakfast, which is a complimentary one, just because there were only limited families at the resort. They arranged for the table breakfast and we can order anything from their menu. It was absolutely free and it came with the package while booking the resort. After breakfast, we spent some quality time at the resort, just relaxing, and we also spent some time loitering around the resort just to see how the resort looks like. And trust me guys, it is so beautiful. We stayed in Garden View room, which is attached to the main building of the resort, but there are also separate villas and separate rooms. They have named the rooms differently based on the rivers of India like Yamuna, Ganga, etc. There are also some beautiful villas. There are jacuzzi villas, and the place itself looked so relaxing and it was so beautiful. You can definitely spend your time here in the resort if you book these kind of villas. Where are we going, Zohan? Where are we going? It was then time for us to check out from the resort. We then repacked all the things and completed the checkout formalities. We really missed the resort because it was so beautiful and our stay was also very pleasant. On the way from Brooks Resort to Sterling Resort, there is a Pico park which is very near to Brooks Resort. I think you guys should give it a try if in case you are visiting Aircard. This is something very different and the entry fees is also very affordable, but we did not visit Pico Park because it was too hot and we should at least spend some 2 hours inside, so we did not get the tickets and visited the park, but we just saw what all the things were available there. We then moved to Sterling Resort for our next day stay. We then booked Sterling Resort for the day 2, and Sterling Resorts are most preferred resorts by the tourists and they are very popular as well. And while entering the resort, they arranged everything. The sanitization process was good. They checked our temperature. Everything was done professionally, and after that we headed to the reception for check-in process. As you can see, the view is so beautiful. The resort itself is beautiful. It's actually very huge resort and it's on the cliff. So after we entered, when we were waiting at the reception, they gave us welcome drink. And yeah, I forgot to tell you, the welcome drink was also given in the Brooks Resort. So we started heading towards our room. We again booked a Garden View room here. The reason for booking the Garden View is that we didn't want to be on the topest floor, and also we didn't want to walk much, just from the entrance to the room. And yeah, this is the bathroom of the room which we had booked. There is no balcony in this room, which was a bit disappointing, but yeah, the view was actually nice. And as soon as we come out from the room, there is a huge space from where we can experience a beautiful view. The bathroom was very neat and the hairdryer was there, which was the best part, because in Brooks Resort the hairdryer was missing, and which was quite disappointing, but that's okay. And this is the room. This is how the room was. The cabinets were really good. The refreshments were there. The room itself was decent, and yeah, it was actually good. But Zohan did not like this room. He liked the previous one. He liked the Brooks Resort just because it had a balcony attached to it.
Zono, did you like this room, Zohan? Why? Why you didn't like? Oh, morning room अच्छी दिख रही है. This one?
Juice bottle.
Juice bottle. अच्छा jump करो, बेड में jump करो. Jump, 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 jump. Jump. Jump, Zohan, jump.
Morning room नहीं देना.
We then got ready and headed out for lunch and also for sightseeing. So see, as I told you, just after we come out from the room, there is a huge balcony. I mean, it's not balcony, but it's a huge terrace kind of area where we can experience the beautiful view from the resort. This is the area which I was talking about. It's really nice, calm, pleasant, relaxing, and you know, you can take many pictures here. It's just a beautiful place. This is the first building of the resort, and we stayed in the first building. Just imagine, there are so many buildings and it's on the cliff, so there are so many floors as well. And if you can walk for a longer distance from gate to the room, then it's fine, but we did not prefer, so we booked in the main building itself. We wanted a basic room, so we booked the garden view room itself. But there are also many rooms, and you know, there are many things backside of this block, and it's too huge, guys. We then went to the bus stand to have our lunch. We wanted to try out Khushka Bai because this is quite popular, and it's a you know, it's a restaurant which is there in bus stand, so it's for the localites as well. So we want to try out something very normal. So yeah, we had biryani, meals and fish, etc. Then these are the two shops which were there next to the Khushka Bai. We also got you know, chocolates, tea powder, coffee powder, some spices from that particular store. And after that, we parked our car over there, and we took a walk to boat house. So there is an entrance fees for entering the boat house, and also if you want to go for a boat ride, there is a separate fee charge, and you know, you have to give it as a deposit also, and after your ride is over, you can take the money back. So we went for a rowboat. There are also motorboat and speedboat, but we preferred rowboat. So this is how the boating area looks like, and we took a ride in our rowboat, and the ride was for some 15 to 20 minutes. It was really nice, calm, and Zohan actually enjoyed this ride. Inside the boat house, there was also a instant photo booth area where you can click pictures and take photos instantly and frame them. They also do keychains, but it was bit expensive. If you want to try out frames, guys, please reach out to my official business account, which is also creations. And yeah, we then you know, went to a coffee shop which is called Kapi Kadai. Yeah, it's called Kapi Stop. And there was also one outlet for clothes called 360 degrees. If you want to get some clothes, then you can try out that shop. And then we ordered one cold coffee and one filter coffee for us. It was really nice. You can try out from this top.
The Dabra set copy.
Just beside the coffee stop, there was one adventure park called Poppy Hills. This park is for those who love to try out adventures. Few of them are still under construction, few are in maintenance, but few things were there. These kind of adventure you can try out if in case you want to, but this was already there in GRT resort when we went last time. So I think over there also you need to pay, and here also you have to pay to try out these kind of adventure and so on. So yeah, this was also there, this water ball. This was really nice, but we didn't try out. We just got ticket for Zohan. We paid 100 rupees and got one ticket for Zohan, just because we wanted him to just spend some time in small rides which were there for kids. From there we headed to Chevroy Hills. It was around 5 to 6 kilometers from the bus stand, and yeah, by the time we reached the Chevroy Hills we became really tired. It was too hot. The climate was not at all in our favor. It was not supportive at all. It was a very hot weather, and yeah. Hey guys, finally I got some time to interact with you all. I was actually busy. Right now we are at Chevroy Hills. It's called Chevroy Temple Hills. There's a temple over there. If you want, you can visit the temple. If in case you don't want to visit the temple, you can just come here for the viewpoint. When we were on our way from bus stand, it is 6 kilometers. So when we were on the way, Zohan slept, so he had his nap. Right now it's 5 o'clock in the evening. He completed his nap, and his dad also took some 15 minutes of nap, and they have actually stepped out of the car to watch this viewpoint. I mean, they have gone to the viewpoint. I did not go because my legs are a little aching and I thought I should relax for some time. So after this we'll be going back to the Brooks Resort because we left our mobile charger over there and it's safe with them. So please look at the things, and don't forget anything in the resort or in the hotel. We then took some pictures, videos for our Instagram reels, for YouTube, and we were just spending some time over there. We then went back to the resort, and just near the parking area we witnessed the beautiful sunset. It was so nice, and parking is outside the resort. You cannot park inside. So this is the parking space, and the view is really amazing. Then changed and went to the play area because we wanted Zohan to spend some time at play area as well, and the play area closes by 8, so we were actually rushing, and Zohan spent some time in play area as well. This play area is for kids below 5 years. It just looked like a small nursery with some toys for kids below 5 years to play. Zohan liked it a lot, and it was a different experience for him because just after this COVID pandemic, we never went out anywhere so that he can spend time at play area. So he really liked and enjoyed his time over there. And next day morning also he spent some time at play area. And after that we wanted to go out for dinner, but just because we were late, my husband went out and got dinner for us. It was dosa. I had already completed. Just to show you, I have taken a small shot. That's how we spent our day 2 at Aircard. I really hope that you like this video. Day 3 video will also be up on my channel very soon, so guys, please stay tuned and keep showing your love and support to us. See you soon in another video. Until then, Allah Hafiz, bye bye.